You know me are the hottest thing on social media. All who never know that now. Can you hear them cuss me all the time, Golden Ram, and say, yo, him have to call such man name to go viral. Me not call such man name from when? Zine. And me still viral and such man quiet like a lamb. Zine. All the people them say me have to call them, me not call them name. Me don't even call no name at all. Me just talk about myself and people have to chop it up and make skit. People have to do all kind of thing with my content to make for themselves relevant. You see me? So that shows me are the man. And me are the Dan. And me are general. And me are dupes. And me are dapper. And me are viral king. And me say that for a reason. See? It's evident now. Me deliberately do certain things to make on see and me I run this. All people say them not like me and them hate Foota and Foota and nobody. I still Foota video when I talk about nobody. Them have to cut up and make skit and edit and put on them thumbnail and put my name in them clickbait in order to be relevant. And me are the man. You see me? Baba, you say it don't look so good for the Warriors. Please do not speak to me about basketball until next season. Your team is Lakers with LeBron James. You were exited in the first round. So please do not talk to me about basketball. Speak to me about party or something else. You do not have the courtesy to speak to me about basketball. Your goat is somewhere in a goat pen. Don't talk to me about basketball, please. Anyway, so as a person, where I lead the charge in this social media thing, you know. See? Me use my platform for more informative reasons than just views and for get people to laugh and for gimmicks. I know that my page about. If you don't notice, me is a man that talk about social commentary. I talk about entertainment. I talk about all kind of positive things. Me is not a gimmicks man. Me not come here come clown out. You see me I say? My thing different. And you see today, I want to commend the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Remember, you know, when people do bad, I beat them bad, you know. And when people do good, we have to commend them upon doing good.